Hey, 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 Captain Chris Johnson. Why am I so late? I'll tell you why. Because Red Redford did a whole recap. Great recap, Red, on his live. Check out Red's YouTube. Marty DeGarmo just did an hour-long live. Great live, Marty DeGarmo. So that leaves Captain with just a couple minutes, but that's okay, because what they had to say was very, very good. Marty, was giving away founders positions. He just asked, which I really liked that he said it, is that if you want to donate to help people with founders positions, you can email Marty, say I'd like to donate and buy someone a position which goes under your team. So that's pretty cool, Marty. I like that. All right. So what am I going to talk about? Let me first tell you what's going on today. At 2 o'clock, we have the guest public webinar for Onpassive. And I suggest you start getting some people to this webinar, because you heard what the Ash man said yesterday, that he's going to be stopping the founder position. He's got the date in his head. He did not say it, but he's got it. So that tells me, bing, bong, boom, you better get going in the room. All right. I'm going to say hi to people in a minute here. Tonight, very, very excited, 9 o'clock, EDT. Okay? I got the Obless, and the special speakers is Runa from Papua New Guinea. She's going to be showing you exactly what she's actually been doing, and it's pretty amazing what she's been doing with her, with a bunch of people by hand. I think you'll really, really like it. So get on there. That link will be in the back office on my Facebook. Lynn usually posts it out everywhere, so it should be pretty good. So let me say hi real quick. Theo, how you doing, Theo? Ruth, how you doing? Julie Wen? Tanya, Steve Henner, there you are. Patricia Scheuer, Stephen Robertson, Gemma. I do want to do a quick shout out while I have it in my brain. Someone in Julie Wen's family, I won't say the name, has been infected with COVID. Say some prayers out for the Julie's family member, please, and anyone else who's got something going on with them like that. Just keep praying. Swampin, how you doing? Oh, there goes my laptop jumping again. Floridine, what's happening? Manaja, Jacob Thomas, how you doing? Patty McGuigan, where's my live, brother? You owe me a live. I'm dying to see that live, Patty. With that accent, woo! Karina Lentz, how you doing? I love you too. Casey Zevenbergen, how you doing? Gemma, what's happening? That's Listra's sister. Sean, how you doing? Muhammad? Susan Hodges, what's happening? Prethap, how you doing? There I am. Stephen Robertson. Theo Orfandas. All right, let me get back to this. So, you guys all heard what Ash had to say yesterday about the founder's position being closed soon. He's got a date. He's not going to tell you the date. He wants to He wants to discuss it with some leaders of how he wants to do it. So, just listen. In other words, don't stop what you're doing. Keep sharing. Very exciting news for me today is my brother Bill Must. We haven't talked in like 2 weeks because he's not been feeling well. He's feeling a little bit better today. I actually talked to him for a couple hours. I'm still asking you to just kind of lay back on him for a little bit. He's not 100%, but he's doing good. He wanted to tell everybody hello. He has not really been responding to a lot of the messages because he's been rested, which we all want him to do. So thank you for those prayers. Keep praying for Bill, Julie Wen's family, and anyone that's sick. Bill is out. Listen, you guys heard me 2 weeks ago talk about getting a corporate letter, a business letter written out from the wallet-to-wallet transfer, okay? So I've kind of written that letter. I've asked Susie McCrae, Robin, Julie, they're all going to kind of help me with this letter. Haven't got it done yet, but I did make a video, which Bill Muss is going to today put it out there. Of course, I didn't use my voice because you know what my voice sounds like. So hopefully sometime today, Bill will have that video done. Basically, it's for you to share to businesses. And Susie brought up some really good points about resellers, and I kind of put everything in there. I hope it makes sense. If it doesn't, oh well, but I think it does. This is for you to get out to businesses, share it to them. at least put it in the back of their mind, because technically the way I look at it, after we launch, all right, businesses are going to want to be part of this. And you remember what I said about we accept, seeing it at every desktop in the world business, we now accept the Onpassive wallet. All right, that's very exciting to me. So this video, hopefully Bill will be done with it in a few hours there, and I will post it. Please share the heck out of it. Send it to people that you know that have businesses, anyone, because it makes sense why any business wants to save money and make money, and that's exactly what it does. So I'm real excited about that. Ivana Poole, how you doing? Karina Lance, I got you. Pat Parrott, there you are. How you doing, Pat? Keep doing what you're doing. Rakesh, Patricia Sawyer, did I say you? But I'm going to say it again if I didn't. My brain is shot. Shavo Shav, how you doing? Cool name. Luli Kaba Khan. Man, you guys got tough names. Dale Cruz, how you doing? Sharon, Brian Quirk, how you doing? Excuse me. Judy Oliver, what's happening? James Yates, there you are, my brother. My brother. Guys, so, Red had put out a video on explaining about NDA and stuff like that. I'm getting some clarity on it that they're not seeing what he was talking about. I'm going to get a hold of Red and see what's going on with that. I'm not sure. I had a lot of people saying that they tried doing that and they're not seeing it. Let me see if I can get some clarity on that. That's about your NDA, making sure everything's right. Ash asked you to get into your back office. Make sure all your information's right before we go into Onpassive. Onpassive. I'm going to say bye-bye to the Yo Founders site and Onpassive. So he wants to make sure everything's perfectly right. So check that out. You don't need to pound me with 3,000 questions, guys. Get in there. If your name's not right, change it. NDA I'm still working on. I have to figure out what's going on with that one. So, anyway, I'm looking at my phone. So what else is going on today? Ash also talked about something very, very cool. You know, we have a lot of people out there who want to go against us. God knows why, I don't get it. But he now has a system where, listen, all I'm going to say is the people out there that are doing bad videos, negative videos, hate videos on us, you've been warned. I'm just letting you know you've been warned. Take it from me. I'm the most honest guy in the world. I wouldn't do it anymore. Just to give you a heads up. I have nothing against you. It's called free speech. But when you talk something bad about something this is good, I got a problem with it. And Onpassivians have a problem with it. So just to give you a heads up, I would stop doing your hate videos. All it's going to do is put you somewhere you're not going to like. And trust me on that. What else? So I'm excited about the video. Excited about wallet to wallet. I'm excited about the centers that Ash is building all over the world with the labs, the server center. Man, you can't beat this, guys. I'm not going to be on here for an hour. I want to just do a quick one because I know Marty and Red had a lot of information. And I know it's somewhat of a beautiful day somewhere. Tim Johnson, what's happening? Tabitha Vincent. Gina Olivia, what's happening, my beautiful sister? Tina J. Tina, what? Okay, I got to ask you again because I didn't see it. What does LLB stand for? I'm trying to, everyone's asked me. I don't know. I'm going to have to, I guess you wrote it and I missed it. So write it in here. What is it, Tina? Rashid, how you doing? To all you founders out there, to all the luckiest people in the world, you are part of something that's going to change history in every aspect that you could think of. Monetary, helping people. And you're not excited about that? All right, the helping people I love. The residual income, woohoo, absolutely. All right, so I just want you to stay excited. Everything takes time. And everyone says, what's taking it so long? I'm telling you right now, from this big head's mouth, everything is on schedule. All right, why? I mean, you don't just, listen, when you buy a puzzle, okay, do you just start putting it all together? Or do you kind of separate the pieces, make sure you know what's going on? It's kind of like that. When Ash puts this puzzle all together, there's going to be no missing pieces. It's going to be perfect. All right. So what you might perceive as taking a long time, he's ahead of schedule because he's making sure it's all done right. Not just through the founders, legal, governments, he's complying to everyone. His business is an open door to all legal and all governments to show exactly what he's doing. All right. Ash Mafara made it real clear that the correction to the corruption is on. Okay, and that's what Onpassive is. Look at all these platforms out there. They're being sued. Why? Jeffrey Morlock did an excellent video the other day. We've talked about this. Because they sell your information. Onpassive will never sell your information. These platforms made billions of dollars off of you. So when you say, oh, Facebook is free, it's not free. They made billions of dollars off of your information, guys. Literally. And there's emails. All this was done corrupt. You didn't know about it. Well, I'll tell you, wouldn't you want a piece of that pie for your information? Onpassive will never do that through anything. Unlimited everything. I'm still very excited about Connect when it comes out. Auto translation. All right. Talking to anyone in the world. English to Hindi to Bengali. And they can hear what I say in their language and they come back. When they talk, I can hear it in my language. Come on. You can't beat that. For businesses, that's going to be a plus. All right. And right now I'm on the business kick because I believe Onpassive is going to truly blow up businesses bigger than they already are. Why? They're going to save time and money. All right. To be able to talk to let's say you're a big company in America and you have a supplier in an overseas country. All right. No more trying to find an interpreter. You could talk to that person directly. CEO to CEO, baby, and get the job done. Bam. That's how great it's going to be. Okay. It's going to save a lot of time and a lot of money. But founders who want to get out and get this to businesses, it's going to be a great thing. And I'm going to say it again. We all use our credit cards, okay? These companies have to pay for a service for us to use our credit cards to help them sell things more if people don't have cash, all right? Transfer to transfer, no percentage taken out, instant cash. Companies that home businesses use credit cards, it takes anywhere from 2 days to 3 days to actually get their money. Can you imagine? Transfer to transfer. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day. Money in their business account like that. Through QR. Listen, you have no idea how easy it's going to be. All right, I'm going to say it again. We now accept the Onpassive wallet. Bing, bang, boom. Get it in your head. It's exciting. But so is everything else about Onpassive. All right. Over 50 products. Digital. Artificially intelligence-induced AI. Okay? Think about everything. There's nothing in Onpassive. Everything in Onpassive works for everyone. Business, personal, it's all there, guys. Plug and play. A 90-year-old can do it to a 1-year-old. That's how easy it's going to be. Staff, for you businesses out there. Everything's on one platform. You don't have to bounce back. You've heard Susie McRae, her 30-some years in HR, how she had to have many different platforms to organize her buildings and her offices for HR. This is all done on one system, which is called Staff. Very easy to use. I can't see any business out there not wanting to use this. Big, small. I mean, if you got a paper out, trust me, it'll work. It'll help. It's all organized perfectly. The products that we have are amazing. Have you seen them yet? No, but you will. All right. And when you do, you're going to say, why didn't I jump on this? Okay. And I'm letting you know right now, Ash Mafar's already got a date in his head, which he's not telling us, when he's going to end the founder's position. Yes. After we launch, you can still become a reseller. All right. I would still say jump on the founder position, but the same thing goes for the reseller. You're still going to have all kind of things with the reseller, but that's where people are really going to sign up, where they weren't, let's say, educated enough to realize to get in now, but once they actually see it all over the news, TV, newspapers, buildings, all right, I don't know, outer space, they're going to want to get in it and say, my God, why didn't I listen? So remember that. All right, let me say some highs real quick. Sandeep, how you doing? John White, what's happening? What did you say, Chris, on YouTube? What's that all about, John? What did I miss? I probably missed Tina's explanation, too. Sajib, Rupa Paul, my beautiful sister. Lister T, what's happening? Tina's doing the LLB again. I missed it. I don't know what that means. What does it mean? Rupa Paul, keep doing your lives in India. You're doing phenomenal. Getting all kind of likes on there and comments. Barbara Troutman, what's happening? Nabao Daz, how you doing? Presentius Biswa, John White. Remember, guys, I do have a YouTube channel, and I just did it for my reasons. I support Bill Must. He makes my YouTubes, both of them. I share Bill's YouTubes out. He does a lot of good things for us for YouTubes, and I'd appreciate you that you share those out and get the message across. Share anything I got out there, guys. Whether it's YouTube Live, we want to help you build your teams. That's exactly what we do. All right, I'm talking way too much. Reminder, 2 o'clock, which is in 40 minutes from now, public, Onpassive webinar, okay? 9 o'clock tonight, Oh Bless with Runa for P&G. Get on it. Don't miss it. That's what Onpassive is. We're building dreams that are going to happen. How about that one? All right? And remember, Oh Bless, say yes to Oh Bless, and we're going to clean up the mess. I absolutely love that one. And people say, yeah, Chris. You know what? You keep saying, yeah, I don't care. I'm driven through Onpassive to help as many people as I can. And that's exactly what 1,300,000 people's mindset is. Yep, we're going to earn a residual income. Yep, we're going to earn a lot of residual income. Yep, going to be able to help a little bunch of people. Yep, we're going to help a lot of people. Bang, bang, boom. Woo! Let's do this, guys. All right, you got a birthday today. Oh, GV Rao, excuse me, from India. Happy birthday, you old dog. Whole bunch of birthdays today. Happy birthday to you. Hope you get many, many more. If you're sick, we're going to pray for you. Remember my brother, Bill Must. Shout out to prayers from Julie Wynn's family member. Shout out to prayers for her. I got to go. I got painting to do. I got all kind of things to do. I'll see you on a Zoom. I love every one of you. If I forgot something, be ready for that video that Bill's going to make for me. All right? Share it out. Let's do this together. Let me help you build your teams. Let's build Onpassive throughout the world. More and more. All right. I'll see y'all later. Ash Mafara, you better watch this one. All right. Bill Rust. Bill Rust? Who the heck's Bill Rust? That must be his cousin. Bill Must. Roll that YouTube. All right, guys. I got to go. We'll see you later. Have a great day.